phishing link or URL is a fraudulent web address that is designed to deceive users and trick them into revealing sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and financial details. Phishing links are often attached to email messages sent from legitimate company domains that are spoofed to deceive recipients. To determine if you clicked on a phishing link attached to an email, check for a suspicious URL, a poorly designed website, and requests for personal information. Clicking on a phishing link can lead to identity theft and the potential loss of personal information. It can also initiate ransomware and malware installations on your device. If you click on a phishing link, you should immediately disconnect from the internet, scan your device for malware, and change your passwords for all important accounts. PowerDMARC helps prevent phishing by implementing and monitoring DMARC, an email authentication protocol that protects domains from being spoofed or impersonated in phishing attacks, to secure domains and businesses against sophisticated email-based attacks. We offer a range of email security solutions that goes beyond DMARC for well-rounded protection.